Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add buttons to your Squarespace site and link them to specific sections on other pages. So let's get right into it. Now, to do this, we're going to use something that's known as anchor links. Now, anchor links are pretty much links that lead to a certain code block on your site, and they'll scroll down the page as soon as you link it. Now, as you'll see, currently I'm on one of my empty pages and I do have an empty section, and I'm just going to go ahead and add a couple of them just to, add some variety and make them distinct from each other. I'll add an image gallery section right over here, just make something to fluff it up a little bit. And now that we have our sections, in the section that we want to link to, for example, this one, we're going to go ahead and add a code block. And for this, we're going to click on edit, make sure to stay in HTML, and we're going to add this. Now, this is actually, let me just go back on it. This is the anchor that we're going to be using, and we're going to make it like this. I'm just going to go ahead and make it like so. Here you can enter your name of your section. So let's say link section, and that's going to display here, but we need to set up an ID. So for example, let's say I'll set the ID to link, all lowercase, and now we have our code block. Now, once we have this, and I'm just going to align it a bit better so that it goes into the middle as much as it can, really. And now that we have our code block with the anchor, again, this is the anchor that we need, we're going to go ahead and save, and we're going to go ahead into another page where we're going to add the button. So for example, if I go to my home page and I go ahead and add a button over here, I'm going to go ahead and add a block. I'm going to add a button, and we're going to link that button to that page where we were previously. I'm pretty sure that's the link page, or it might be the contact page. I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure it's the link one. So we're going to test this out. Just add the link page, or the page that you want. You need to add that URL slug over here. And now for the actual anchor, for the link, we just need to write hashtag link. This is the ID that we entered previously. And now we have our button set up. So for example, now if I click save and exit, and if we test out our button, it's going to take me to the link page, and it's going to take me to the section that I want. As you can see, it forgoes all of the rest, and it'll take me directly here. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.